Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start. So before starting, let's highlight one thing. We have YouTube channel. So in that YouTube channel, we are creating the YouTube videos on training, like how NetSuite works and what how it does works and what are the use of NetSuite and when we can use the NetSuite. And you know that in the market, NetSuite is uh, easily grabbing and it's like creating a more opportunity and getting involved in the entire worlds. So NetSuite is a like a software platform. So already everyone knows that. So if you don't know that, you can search it and you can find the YouTube videos on and you can understand if you are working as a IT sector. So since we are working as a YouTube channel, so in our channel we are providing only YouTube NetSuite related tutorial content. So if you are new here, so you can easily go through the channel and you can learn from here. So you just need to go to the net YouTube and search Sweet Stream. So once you will search that, you will get the screen like a Sweet Stream channel. So from here you can find all the content videos so related to each part. So we are basically like uploading the video section wise, like topic wise, so it will be easy to understand. So if you are new, please find on the YouTube channel and go and start learning. And if also please subscribe and um, comment there, so it will be helpful us to understand what is actually need and what need to improve on that, so it will be also helping for us. So let's start. So in today's session, we are going to learn about quantity pricing schedule in NetSuite. So quantity pricing schedule in NetSuite in the sense when customer is buying in the bulk, so then company are giving some discount based on their quantity, selected quantity. Let's say customer is buying like a company has a setup of 100 up to 100 quantity. So 0 to 25 quantities, company don't want to give any discount on the pricing level. So if the buyer is increasing their buying capacity like up to 40 quantities, then it will give, maybe company will give 10% of the price. If it increase up to 75, it might be given 10% at 15%. So based on that, we can set up in our NetSuite. So based on customer selection, purchase quantity, we can offer the discount. So this will be helpful when customer is buying on the bulk. So here, like the two different thing is there, like using marginal rate and without marginal rate. That two thing also we'll discuss here. So let's understand in simple. Quantity pricing schedule are templates that automate adjust item price based on the quantity purchased. So promptly bulk buying through the discount. This schedule can be applied to multiple items. Ensure consistent discount structure across the product. So that same thing what I explained here. So that how we can access and how we can create, that I will show you here with example. Let's go to the NetSuite ones. So here, so first we have to navigate to login. You have to log in the NetSuite by using your username and credential, user credential. Once you have logged in successfully, you need to navigate to list, accounting, quantity pricing schedule. So here you can click on the new if you are creating new, or if you have already created, you just want to review. Just in my case, I have already created here. Let's navigate here. So this one I have created. So this structure I have created. So 0 to 49, I don't want to give any discount to the customer. So if customer increases their buying, so like let's say customer want to buy 50, then up to 50 from this here, yeah, like use cases here. So since we are not using marginal rates, so if customer is buying 1 to 49, they will not get any discount. Or either if a customer want to buy up to 50, like 50, then they will get 5% of discount up from 1 to 50. And if the customer is buying 50 to 74, they will get 5%. If customer reaches hit 75, then they will get 10%. And if customer is reaching to 100, they will get 15%. So this is the flat rate, flat discount. And one more thing, this is use marginal in the sense like if customer is buying 0 to 40, so up to 0 to 49, they will not get discount. But here, if they reaches 50 in one quantity, they will get 5% of discounts. So it's like this. So based on each section discount that will be applied to their discount purchasing power. So that is the difference of marginal. Also, you can also go to the health center. Here, click on the label. You can understand here also in discount. So this will be helpful. So how we can use this in our transaction? Let's go through that once. So for now, we'll do the setup how we can use this. Then in our next video, we'll going to use how we can use this quantity pricing schedule in real time. So for this, to activate this, we have to set up in item record, item level. So let's go to the item record first. Accounting list item. So if you have created already item, then that's fine. Just navigate. If you don't, then you have to create. Here we have to find, we already have created one item. It's a non-inventory item. So this item we have already created for testing purpose. So here you can see we have update applied that our price quantity pricing schedule. So from here we have applied and base price we have assigned 5,000. So based on that, here you can also review up to zero quantity. It's a 5,000. No discount will be applicable. If the quantity is like up to 50, then this will give 5% of discount on the price. If 75, it will give 10%. If 10, if 100, it will give 15% of discount. So based on this, it will applicable, and it will automatically apply to the transaction when we are selling any product, any creating selling any product or to our customer, this product to our customer. Then this pricing module will be applicable for that customers. Then they will get discount based on their purchased module quantity. So up to now we have understand that how we can use a quantity pricing schedule. So I think that's it for now. Now in our next video, we'll understand how we can use in our real time scenario, how we can use in our transaction, how we can sell by using that quantity pricing schedule. So we'll see in our next video. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like it. Provide your comment. If you have any suggestion, please you can put in your comment and I will make sure that I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you so much.